Come with me, I'll take you on a walk. Just a few minutes, let's leave the world behind. In the forest by the lake, something to talk, where nature greets us, peace is what we'll find. The green and beautiful, like a painting scene, an awesome sight to see, like a dream so bright. I look across the lake, watch the birds so serene, resting on treetops, hearts feeling light, gathering together on branches they play. Wildlife surrounds us, it's a jungle's embrace. Let's wander where the wild things roam, feel the rhythm of the earth, it's calling us home. Every step we take leads to joy that's free, in this paradise together, just you and me. The grass path winds through trees beside the lake's edge. Life is all around, in harmony we tread, where nature whispers softly, a beautiful pledge. I'll walk a little further, beneath the sky spread, find a comfy tree to lean. My heart feels so light, the sound of kookaburras, laughter in the trees. Join me on this journey, let's wander with ease. So come with me, let's make this memory last. In the forest by the lake, away from the past. With every little step, we find our delight in this wild, wonderful world. Everything feels right. In the bright morning light, where the world feels alive, with open horizons, where my spirit can thrive. Breathing in deeply the fresh air so sweet, nature is calling, it's a wonderful treat. Finding freedom in the gentle embrace, like dancers in sunlight, full of rhythm and grace. Oh, it feels so good, this harmony found, every stretch, every step, where joy is unbound, with hardships in hand, a delightful affair, sharing moments with seagulls, joy